For decades, the Kane County Hospital has answered emergency medical calls in Fredonia, Arizona, and its surrounding communities.
But this week, Arizona state officials told them continuing to do so would be illegal.
Liv Kelleher spoke with the Kanab Hospital CEO and Fredonia residents. Liv, what is at stake if Fredonia loses their EMS service?
Well, Brian and Heidi, I was at a public meeting earlier today at the Fredonia Town Hall, and I heard from the hospital officials, first responders, and residents, and they all put it the same way. The resources from Kane County are essential in Fredonia.
It literally is a matter of life and death. Where else are we going to get transportation to a hospital?
The small town of Fredonia has relied on Kane County for ambulance services for nearly 5 decades.
When I asked about the 911, and I said, we've been covering Arizona for over 40 years, the investigator said, so what you're telling me is that you've been breaking the law for over 40 years.
Kane County has tried to obtain the proper certificate to operate within Arizona for the past 3 years.
Because your DPS, your sheriff's department, call us and ask us to come. And under emergency mutual aid, we feel like that we have been able to do that. And I said, I would like to continue to do that.
They've revised and resubmitted their application several times until it was officially denied this week. So you live in Fredonia?
Yes, I do.
And have you utilized the Kane County ambulance services?
It saved his life.
Yeah, several times. This is my wife, who you hear in the background.
I am a lifelong resident of this town, and it has saved my family more than once. It has saved my friends more than once.
She believes there is no good reason to deny constituents health care services.
The bureaucratic bullcrap needs to stop. The hospital has said that they will do it as a humanitarian service. The town of Fredonia has even offered to pay the hospital for their service. So just because someone's on a power trip is endangering people's lives, and it really, really, really needs to stop.
Now, I reached out to Deputy Bureau Chief with the Arizona Department of Health, Noreen Adlin, and she signed the order blocking Kane County's application. I asked her why this decision was made, why the application was blocked, what alternatives exist, and if the people of Arizona can rely on the state for reliable and speedy EMS services. However, she did not respond. Live in Kanab, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.